Hello everyone, welcome to channel Qtomation. In this session we will see one more practice program to check if strings are anagrams of each other. So what is exactly anagram of a string? Anagram of a string is a rearrangement of its letters to form a new word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. For example, if you see word as a listen and word as a silent. So both of these string are anagram of each other. It is basically rearrangement of its letter to form a new word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. So number of characters are also exactly once, and frequency of each character in this string is also exactly once, and they are rearranged and they have rearranged in between and created a new word from those rearrangement. If both of them are anagram of each other, so we can say listen and silent are anagrams of each other. So now we will see how we can verify programmatically whether the strings are anagrams of each other. So let's go to PyCharm. Let's create a new Python file. So I'm just creating a new Python file. I'm naming it as checking anagram string. So we have created a new Python file. Now let's take two strings. So I will take, let's say, my string 1 as welcome, my string 2, let's say hello. The first case is we have to convert both the strings to lowercase. So first, before comparing, we have to first convert string 1 and string 2 to lowercase. So I will just create str1 and we have to convert my string 1 dot lower. So this method will convert welcome to lowercase, which is already in lowercase, but let's say we take welcome like this. So we have to first convert it to lowercase, and then we can also use str2 equals to my string 2 dot lower. So after converting, so this is converting both strings to lowercase. And now in Python we have one sorted function that can be used on a string for sorting purpose. So to check whether string 1 and string 2 are anagrams of each other, we have to use the condition like this. So if inside the sorted function we can pass str1, and if sorted str1 is exactly equal to sorted str2, so we are sorting string 1 and we are sorting string 2 and we are comparing both of them. If they are matching, then we can print strings are anagrams of each other. Else we can simply print strings are not anagrams of each other. So now if you see, my string 1 is welcome, my string 2 is hello. Obviously they are not anagrams of each other. So now let's execute this program and let's see the output. So if you see the output, it is saying strings are not anagrams of each other, because rearrangement is not forming the another word. Now we will actually put the words which are anagrams of each other. Let's say put silent and let's put listen. Now let's execute the program one more time. Now if you see, strings are anagrams of each other. That is the correct output which we are getting. One more example, let's say I am putting A, B, C, D, E. I am here putting P, Q, R, S, T. Now are these anagrams of each other? No. So if I execute this program, it will show strings are not anagrams of each other. Now instead of that, if I put E, B, C, D and A, are these anagrams of each other? Yes. So if you execute this program, it will show strings are anagrams of each other. So we are converting those to lowercase first, because if you don't convert them into lowercase, let's say I'm not converting this to lowercase, then it will not match. If you see, this is ABCDE and it is EBCDA, but in my string 1 it is capital. So first characters are capital. So what I will do, I'm just commenting this part. Let's say I'm directly passing this my string 1 here, and let's say we are passing my string 2 here. Now if I again run this file, let's see the output. See, it is saying strings are not anagrams of each other. So we have to first convert them into lowercase. So that's why we are converting them into lowercase first, and then we are sorting both the strings. So again I am uncommenting this, and now let's execute this file. So it will give you the correct output, that is strings are anagrams of each other. So there is a simple example of checking whether two strings are anagram of each other or not. Thank you for watching this video.